In this video, I will be demonstrating NEPI software automation solutions using NEPI-supported USB and Genicam camera systems, along with a NEPI-supported pan-tilt system. They're connected to an NVIDIA Jetson processor box from Vecow with Numurus NEPI Engine software installed. I have my PC connected to the NEPI device and a web browser open to the NEPI device's user interface. The NEPI driver system will auto-detect all of the connected devices. First, we can test and configure the connected cameras using the NEPI Sensors Imaging tab. After, we can test the pan-tilt connection using the NEPI Controls Pan-Tilt tab. With everything working, we can jump into our automation demonstration. Now that everything is connected, I'll start a number of automation scripts that I have added to the NEPI device's automation script library. These clips include 2 process automation scripts that use OpenCV to apply an image enhancement and image contours to the image stream from the stationary camera, a configuration script that loads one of the AI models from the NEPI device's AI model library and connect to the camera mounted on the pan and tilt system, and an action script that tracks and centers a person by controlling the pan and tilt. Now that our scripts are running, we can first check that our AI model is loaded and connected to the correct camera. Next, we can view up to 4 active image streams simultaneously using the NEPI RUI Image Viewer application. Hopefully, this gives you an idea of how easy it is to create and test AI and automation solutions using Numurus NEPI's AI software installed on a Vecow Edge processing system. To learn more about the NEPI software solution, visit nepi.com.